In this video, we are going to talk about sales funnel. How you can create a sales funnel for your business and maximize your profits digitally. So let's get started. Every business has a sales funnel. They are just not aware of it. If you are converting any prospect to a paying customer, that means you do have a sales funnel. You just do not know what is a sales funnel and you do not know how to use a sales funnel strategically. So when you start use sales funnel strategically, then you will convert more prospects to customers easily and your profit will skyrocket. So what is a sales funnel and why is it important? Why is it even important for your business? So a sales funnel is a path a customer, a prospect takes to buy a product or service from a business. And every business has a sales funnel, but they are not aware of it. They are not put this strategically. And around 68% business owners do not even measure their sales funnel and make it intentionally to convert a prospect into paying customer. And this is the major problem most of the business owners are making these days. So sales funnel is the path to convert a interested prospect into a paying customer. There are different kinds of sales funnel available for a specific businesses, and you can choose whatever is important, whatever is suitable for your business. And in this video I am going to discuss about around 6 sales funnels that are proven and highly that are converting like crazy. But before I do that, I would like to clear a doubt about sales funnel and a marketing funnel, because lots of marketers and lots of business owners are usually use this term together, and this makes lots of confusion in the marketplace. So here are some marketing funnels you can see on my screen, and here are some of the sales funnel you can see on my screen. Looks very similar, right? Yes, it is, but there are really some key differences between marketing funnel and sales funnel. Let me tell you. Marketing funnel is the entire journey of a customer to aware of your business and becoming a highly committed customers. And a marketing funnel includes advertisement, sales, email sequence, and lots of other things. On the other hand, a sales funnel is a small part of a marketing funnel. In the sales funnel, we usually see sales pages, squeeze pages, webinar pages, and other stuff, similar stuff like that. So a sales funnel and a marketing funnel is two different things. And now you understand what is sales funnel and what is marketing funnel. Now let's jump into 6 different type of sales funnel and let's discover what is the best strategy, what is the best sales funnel for your business. So number 1, squeeze page funnel. So what is a squeeze page funnel? We use squeeze page funnel to generate lead for businesses, to collect emails, phone numbers, and other informations from prospects. We offer free gifts that is downloadable, and in return we ask for their informations like email address, phone number, or anything else. We send prospect to a landing page, offer them a free gift, free downloadable gifts. To send this gift, we ask a phone number or an email. This is the best way to get leads from our prospects. So basically we use squeeze page funnel to generate leads for our business, and in return we provide gifts, problem solving gifts to our prospects. I personally highly recommend you to use different lead magnets in your switch with funnel to see which gives you the highest conversion rates. Here are some examples of some switch with funnel I have collected for you. Number 2, application funnel. We also use application funnel to generate leads, but in that case, to qualify those leads, to get more information about those leads, application funnel is really helpful if you are trying to sell products, expensive products, much more higher ticket products like $5,000, $10,000 deals, or you are a realtor and you want to sell more high value homes, then this is the best way. This is the best funnel strategy for you. Most of the time we use in application funnel, we usually trying to learn about our prospects, asking some questions in the funnel like who they are, what they do, where they live, and how much money they make, to qualify them if our product is suitable for them, if they can afford our product or not, if our product is good fit for them or not. So that's how we do not waste lots of time with irrelevant customers, irrelevant people, and customers, the prospects, do not waste time with us also. So application funnel is to save you lots of time and help you, is designed to help you get more higher quality leads and more higher value leads for your business. Number 3, a tripwire sales funnel. So in a tripwire sales funnel is actually designed to make sales, but it works as a lead generation funnel too, because prospects have to enter their name, address and other informations in the page to access the next page. So at the first page of the tripwire funnel, at the left side there is a video sales letter or sales copy, and the right side a shipping form. Prospect enter their details in the form, then they redirected to the next page. It is the OTO page. OTO stands for one time offer page. In the one time offer, you give them a crazy deal, crazy no-brainer upsell, and they cannot resist, cannot just exclude the deal when they are buying. That's how you actually maximize the sales, maximize the money you are making from one customer. So that's how they can buy an additional product, and at the end they redirect it to the thank you page. Here are some examples of tripwire funnels that can help you understand better. Do you prefer video sales letter over a sales copy? Then lots of customers prefer watching videos than reading a long form page, because reading is more time consuming than watching a video, right? I would like to share some stats with you about video marketing. 54% customers want to see videos from their favorite brands, and videos are the favorite types of contents of social media for everybody. Most of the people prefer videos because video is engaging, and video marketers get 66% better and higher quality leads than who use just an image or sales copy. Isn't it fascinating? And average person spend 88% more time on a website that has a video, and around 72% of customers prefer to watch a video to learn more about a product or a service. A VSL or video sales letter funnel is specially created for video lovers. This is exactly like a tripwire funnel made to sell your product or service, but with just a video. Instead of a sales copy, we use video to sell our product or service. So at the first page of the funnel, there is a VSL or video sales letter where you can talk about your product or service. Then at the second step, there is a OTO or one-time offer, then at the end, order confirmation and thank you page. And here are some examples of VSL or video sales lead funnel. And number 5, product launch sales funnel. So what is a product launch sales funnel? Listen, Tripwire sales funnel is a perfect funnel to sell your most popular offers, most popular products, most popular services you have. But when you are going to launch a new product, what you are going to do? Then you need a product launch funnel to build more curiosity and excitement about the new product. This funnel is strategically designed to build curiosity and excitement about the new product. And when we launch the product, we expect more people to buy on the launch date. So at the first page, we offer prospects to give their contact information like email or phone number and encourage them to stay updated about our new launch of our funnel. And over the upcoming days, we send them 3 to 5 pages describing about our new product and build curiosity, excitement, and we educate them about our new product or service. That's how we build more curiosity, excitement, and engagement with our products. And at the end, when we launch our product, we just send them an order confirmation page. There they can buy our product or service. So this is the whole story of a product launch funnel. This is really effective, and I encourage you guys, when you are launching your new product or service, you must try this. You will see your sales will go up dramatically. So here is an example of product launch sales funnel. Last but not the least, number 6, webinar sales funnel. So last few years, webinar is really popular, and around 73% marketers are claiming that using webinar, they are getting much more higher quality leads who are more likely to buy, who are motivated to buy, who are ready to buy instantly after watching webinar. Because if someone sits and watch a 45-minute webinar, that means they are really interested in your product or service, what you are offering, because time is more valuable than money, right? At the first page of the webinar funnel, there is a webinar registration page. So after someone fill up the page with their name, phone number and other information, they redirect it to some other page, around 3 to 5 pages. There you introduce yourself and about your brand messaging, your brand story, etc. And they are now familiar with your brand, with your service, with your product you are going to offer in the webinar. And at the end, there is the actual webinar. It can be recorded or it can be live, depending on what kind of webinar you are going to make. Recording is popular because you just have to shoot webinar one time and you can use that multiple times, so it saves your time and it is actually continuously sales making, and it will going to make you money automatically. If you are going to make live webinar, it's also a good idea because people want to interact live with you. When they see a live webinar and a recorded webinar, they are going to prefer live webinar. That's it. That's the whole story of sales funnel. There are lots of funnels. In the future, I will make more videos about funnels, and I will go in depth more about all the 6 types of funnels and other funnels in my future videos. So now you know about sales funnel. Now it is your turn to use the funnel for your business. But choose carefully what is the best funnel you are going to take for your business, what you are going to use for your business. Right? Now you learn it, you implement it, and get the result. So if you need any help implementing these sales funnel strategies in your business, you can send me message to samkingmarketer@gmail.com, or you can comment below. I have put all my informations, my business information in the description. You can check out. I would love to help you out in your business and add value. So until my next video, stay safe, stay happy, and goodbye for now.